at that little blue police car go! He's ready to save the day!
Okay, viewers, just take a look at the results of these videos. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing cartoon car niche that is getting millions of views. The best part is that I'll show you how to create these videos using a 100% free AI tool. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open YouTube and search for the channel Twirly 2025. As you can see, this channel has around 307K subscribers and is generating an estimated 2.6K per month. That's a great income for a channel focused on this simple niche. If you scroll through the videos, you'll notice that this creator mainly uploads 3D cartoon-style car videos. These videos are receiving a huge number of views, and many of them have gone viral. The content is simple, entertaining, and easy to watch, which is exactly why people love it. So today, I'll show you how you can create the same type of 3D cartoon car videos using completely free AI tools. Before we begin, take a moment to look through these videos carefully. Notice the animation quality, the colorful characters, the smooth storytelling, and how engaging each scene is. Also, pay attention to the overall results and the number of views these videos are getting. I'll also introduce you to a free AI tool that can help you generate 1 to 2 minute videos quickly and easily. So make sure you stay with me until the end because I'm going to explain everything step by step. Now that you've seen the examples, let's move on to the master prompt. I already have a professionally designed master prompt prepared for this niche. This prompt includes everything you need to create a complete video from start to finish. It contains the character descriptions, scene-by-scene instructions, image prompts, animation prompts, voiceover script, and every important detail required to make a viral video. You don't have to create anything manually because I've already organized everything for you in one complete prompt. Once you've reviewed it, simply copy the complete prompt. After copying it, I'll open Claude AI, paste the master prompt into the chat, and click on the Generate button. Sometimes Claude AI takes a little longer to generate the response, but that's completely normal. High-quality results usually require a little patience, and the best part is that you can achieve these results completely free of cost. After waiting for a short time, here is the result. As you can see, Claude AI has generated everything automatically with just one click. It has created consistent character descriptions, detailed scene-by-scene prompts, image prompts, animation instructions, voiceover scripts, and all the information needed to produce a complete video. Now let's go through these scenes one by one. Read each prompt carefully and notice how detailed and well-organized they are. Every scene is designed to keep the audience engaged and make the final video look professional. The characters remain consistent throughout the story, the image prompts are highly descriptive, and the animation instructions are clear and easy to follow. This makes the entire production process much faster and more efficient. I'm going to review each prompt one by one so you can clearly understand how everything works before we move on to the next step. Now that you've carefully gone through all the prompts and seen how detailed and engaging they are, it's time to move on to the image generation section. In the next step, I'll show you exactly how to turn these prompts into stunning AI-generated images that will later animate into a complete viral cartoon car video. So let's continue with the image creation process, image generation section. Okay, viewers, now it's time to create our images. For this, I'm going to open Flow AI, which is one of my favorite free AI tools for image generation because it produces high-quality and very detailed results. Once Flow AI is open, I'll select the Nano Banana 2 model. After selecting the model, I'll go back to our prompt document and copy the very first image prompt. Now I'll return to Flow AI, paste the prompt into the text box, and simply click the Generate button. As you can see, our first image has started generating. At this stage, you just need to be a little patient because high-quality images usually take a few moments to process. Once it's finished, I'll show you the final result. While it's generating, pay close attention to the process so you can follow the exact same steps on your own later. After waiting for a few moments, look at this result. Our very first image is now ready, and honestly, it looks absolutely amazing. The quality is clean, the colors are vibrant, the character design is consistent, and the overall image looks very professional. Now let's continue with the remaining prompts. I'll copy the second prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate again. Next, I'll do the same thing with the third prompt, followed by the fourth prompt. The process is exactly the same every time. Simply copy the prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and click the Generate button. I'll continue repeating this workflow for every remaining scene, whether it's Scene 5, Scene 6, Scene 7, or any additional scenes. The process never changes. Just copy, paste, and generate each prompt one by one. After all the prompts have been processed, I'll show you the complete collection of images so you can see the final outcome. Now, after waiting a little longer, look at this final result. All of our images are now ready, and you can clearly see the quality right here on the screen. Every image is sharp, colorful, highly detailed, and perfectly matches the story we planned earlier. Once all the images are ready, I'll simply download each one in 2K quality to make sure we get the best possible resolution for our animation. Alright viewers, now it's time to turn our images into animated videos. Today, I'll be using Flow AI for this step, so there's no need to switch to any other tool. Let's get started. First, I'll select my very first image. Once the image is uploaded, I'll enter my animation prompt. After adding the prompt, I'll simply click the Generate button. As you can see, our first image has now started transforming into a video. At this point, all you need to do is be patient and let the AI finish processing. Once it's complete, I'll show you the final result. After waiting for a few moments, look at this result. Our first animated video is now ready. Take a close look at the smooth motion, the animation quality, and how beautifully the image has been brought to life. The result looks incredibly engaging and professional, making it perfect for YouTube Shorts and other short-form platforms. Now let's create the second animation. I'll simply select the second image, enter the animation prompt, and once again click the Generate button. As you can see, the second video has also started generating. We'll wait just a little longer for the AI to finish. And now, look at this result. Our second animated video is also complete. Both videos have turned out beautifully, with smooth animation, vibrant visuals, and excellent quality. This is exactly the type of content that has the potential to capture viewers' attention and perform well online. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and found this cartoon car niche interesting. As you've seen, you can create high-quality images and animated videos using free AI tools without needing any advanced editing skills.